What's up, stackers? So today I'm going to show you how you can start making some money, some of that lovely moolah with eBay and eBay dropshipping. Now, if you're new to my channel, my name's Paddy, and every single day I come out with different ways that you can start making money online. So go and hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for all my further videos. Also, if you want my #1 recommendation to actually making a full-time income right here online, then click that link in the description below and I'll send that straight to you. So, eBay dropshipping. What actually is it and why should you be interested? So, eBay dropshipping. E-commerce has literally blown up the last few years. This year and last year, Shopify dropshipping has completely blown up as well, and so many people are making a killing with it. But not many people actually talk about eBay dropshipping. Now, eBay dropshipping is a hell of a lot better than Shopify, in my opinion, for first-time entrepreneurs, because you can literally start this business with little to no money. Unlike Shopify, where you need to pay for your store, you need to run ads. There's so much you need to do with Shopify that you don't actually have to do with eBay. Now, if you're just starting out with eBay dropshipping and you've just created an eBay account and you've just got a PayPal account, then you are going to need a few $100s or a few £100, depending where you are, because PayPal is going to put your funds, once you've sold a few items, they'll put your funds on hold for 21 days, I believe. I say I believe because it never happened to me, because I've had a PayPal account for years. But bear that in mind, if you're brand new to this, PayPal is going to hold your money. If you already have an active PayPal account and an eBay account, then don't worry, you can literally start this with no money. So, what are we going to be doing? We are going to be finding items, products on retailers. Now, if you're in the UK, I like Amazon, Argos, Domu, and Vida XL. These are actually my favourites to use for eBay dropshipping. But what we essentially do is find products over on here, make sure there's a demand and that they're actually selling over on eBay. Then all we do is grab the picture, we grab the description, we completely change the title, and I'll explain more about that in a minute. But then we take all that, list it on eBay, wait for it to sell. Well, actually, we mark it up. I mark my products up round about 40%. That way, that factors in PayPal fees, eBay fees, and then leaves me with my profit. But every time it then sells over on here on eBay, we take that money, which goes directly into our PayPal, go over to our retailer, buy the product, and have it shipped straight to our customer. That's how easy this actually is. Now, I do use Amazon. It's not one of my main retailers that I use, because I like everything nice and easy. Now, if I'm selling products from Amazon over on eBay, when I sell it, the money goes into my PayPal. But Amazon doesn't actually accept PayPal, so then I have to take that money out of PayPal, put it into the bank, and then purchase through that way. But with these other 3 retailers that I'm going to show you, they all accept PayPal. So as soon as the money goes straight into my PayPal, once I've actually sold the item, I can go over straight away to Argos, Domu, or Vida XL and just purchase it from my PayPal, making everything a hell of a lot easier. Now, I do have a lot of training about eBay dropshipping here on my channel, and I've got certain tips and tricks on finding products that you can go and sell on eBay. I actually have a few different trainings with Vida XL, Domu, and Argos that no one else on YouTube actually has. And what I do in these trainings is show you how to snoptimize. I'm sure you probably don't know what that means at the minute, but you will if you keep learning. But what I do is snoptimize their own eBay listings, or their own eBay stores. See, with Vida XL, Domu, and Argos, they all have eBay stores. So you can actually utilize that to your advantage to find their best selling products, mark them up 40% and sell them yourselves. Now I am going to I'll leave a card right up there in the right hand corner so you can go through and see my Argos training on how I actually do this, because it's some pretty ninja stuff, and like I said, no one else really talks about this. Now, I said about titles a couple of minutes ago. Now, when it comes to creating your titles for products that you are selling on eBay, never take the title from the retailer and use that, because there's going to be so much more competition. See, with eBay, when you're searching for stuff, you put in certain keywords, because eBay search bar here, this is just a search engine. You can call it like YouTube or Google. This is a search engine. So people type in certain keywords to find certain products. Now, let me just take a title from here at the minute. Let's just put in tools. So if I was to take the title of, let's say, I don't want an ad. Let's say this one. So if I take the title, all of the title, say I was going to sell this on eBay. Come on. Say I was going to sell this, or say someone else is selling this. Lazy people are just going to take the whole title and sell it like that. They're not going to completely optimize. They're not going to change the title. They're not going to do anything. And if they don't, look at how much competition they've actually got. All these people pretty much with exactly the same title. Exactly the same. Now, I have other videos on, trainings on how to properly title your eBay listings or eBay SEO. Again, I'm going to leave a card in the right hand corner so you can go through and check that out as well. But so eBay is just a search engine, and people are going to find your products through certain keywords. So if you have a keyword in your title that no one else in these ones have, then you're basically going to get more sales, because someone's going to put in that keyword, find your product, because no one else is using that keyword, and you can make sales that way, and you'll probably make a hell of a lot more sales than what you would just by stealing titles like this. So again, like I said, go in the right hand corner, there's going to be a card there so you can learn more about eBay title optimization. Now, there's one more retailer that I want to talk about, which I see a hell of a lot of people talking about when it comes to eBay dropshipping, and that is AliExpress. Let that load up for a minute. Now, I don't understand why people are dropshipping from AliExpress. Yeah, this is great for Shopify. It's how you can first get started with selling shit on Shopify, but I don't understand why people are trying to use it for dropshipping on eBay. Now, let me explain a little bit more about that. So when it comes, most of the stuff you're going to be dropshipping from AliExpress is going to be coming from China or Asia or somewhere like that. So you're going to be finding products on AliExpress and dropshipping them on eBay. Now, in the UK specifically, when people buy shit on eBay, they want that really quick. They don't want to be waiting 2 weeks, 3 weeks, a whole month to get their product, which is what is going to happen with AliExpress. Now, by using retailers like Argos or Domu or whoever, it's literally next day delivery. And Argos even has same day delivery. Okay, so if people are dropshipping from AliExpress onto eBay, it's going to take, especially in the UK, at least a month, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, for your customers to get their item. Okay, so say they got their item and then they're not happy with it. Oh, I don't want this. This is wrong. This is the wrong color. Blah, blah, blah. Whatever it is. And then they want to send it back. Well, you're going to have to return that all the way back to Asia, China, wherever it's come from. And that's going to take at least another month to get your money for that return. Do you see what I mean? Whereas with Domu, Vida XL, Argos, these companies are used to returns. So if you sold something from Argos on eBay and they actually want to return the item, then it's a real simple process, and within a matter of 3 to 5 days you can have your money back from that returns. But AliExpress, you're going to drop ship, which is going to take a month, and then it's going to take another month for that item to be returned. So it's probably going to take about a month for you to get your money back. I don't know. I think I would rather stick to Vida XL, Domu, Argos, Amazon, and so on. Now, I could be completely wrong about this. If you're dropshipping from AliExpress and you're seeing success, let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to actually see people who actually do this, because I see a lot of videos of people talking about it, but they don't actually do what they're talking about, if you know what I mean. They don't actually do AliExpress to eBay dropshipping. They're just telling you about it and showing you how you can do it. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, in the description down below, or in the first comment, there's going to be a link to Stackers Inner Circle. It's a new group I've just created over on Facebook. So if you're interested, go through, check it out, and join the group. Now, again, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a thing. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.